I'm not gonna say much, but oh god, I eloped. I went and I eloped. It is so surreal. I cannot believe that I have a whole new last name. I'm married. Can you believe? Can't believe.
Fish I like the place, just YouTube it. Some other channel, just too foolish. Like, subscribe and share. Comment right here. I'm not like dog or YouTube lit.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Chesouye, and if you didn't know, now you know, per usual. So I know I've been MIA for a while, and you know, per usual, I'm gonna come and apologize. But this is just a life update. I'm gonna tell y'all everything that has been happening, how I've been, how life has been treating me, everything. Man, I left out nothing. Okay, I'm gonna know honestly the title down below, so that's why y'all are here. Welcome back, welcome to my channel. If you're new, make sure you subscribe. Don't leave my channel without subscribing. We're on our way to 3K subscribers. Hello, I'm so happy. I did not even announce that I reached 2K followers, subscribers, but I do have 2K subscribers. I'm on the way to 3K, and I'm so ecstatic. I'm so grateful because I really right. So I celebrated my first year on YouTube recently, and I cannot believe that I've been doing YouTube for a year. I remember when I started a year ago, I did not think that I was gonna get 100 subscribers. It was so hard to get my first 100 subscribers, much as I've gotten 1,000 since then. 1,500 subscribers to 2,000 subscribers, and I'm on my way to 3K. So thanks for sticking with the girl. I'm so grateful. I'm so blessed. I'm so thankful. I feel amazing. Yeah, words cannot explain. So yeah, make sure you share the video. Make sure you tell everybody to subscribe. Make sure you tell everybody to subscribe. Okay, yeah, so let's just get into it. So yeah, let's talk about YouTube first. So as I said before, I'm on my road to 3K subscribers, and YouTube is actually going pretty well. Views are up, watch time is up, subscriber count is up. Y'all are commenting. I really cannot complain because my channel is actually going pretty well, but of course we can always do better. So I'm gonna ask my subscribers, continue liking, continue sharing the videos, continue inviting your friends to subscribe, continue watching the playlist. If you didn't know, I have a playlist with all my videos on my channel. If you all are ever bored and you know I'm your favorite person on YouTube, you can just watch me. You can watch me. It would mean a lot. It would do a lot for my channel. So yeah, consider that. So YouTube. So right now we're in the month of May, and next month is my birthday. I'm gonna be doing a birthday series. So from June 1st, mark the date. Put on the date now on the phone, please. I'm gonna remind you all on Instagram, and I'm gonna remind you all on my community. So from June 1st to my birthday, which is June 15th, there will be vlogs dropping every day. I hope I don't make a promise that I cannot keep, but I'm gonna try to do this. I'm gonna try to gather the content from now, schedule them in advance. So if you see me missing, it's because I'm doing that for y'all. Share up it. I don't know what I'm gonna call the series yet, but it's my birthday, and so I'm gonna drop one video every day. So as I was saying, from June 1st to my birthday is June 15th, I want to drop one video, one vlog or so, challenge, different kind of videos that y'all normally see on my channel. I'm gonna drop one per day up until my birthday. You can stay tuned. Even after that, we're gonna have a lot of videos coming. I have a friendcation that is supposed to happen in July, and yeah, stuff are gonna happen. Stick with me. I keep saying stick with me because I really want y'all to know that yeah, I'm here. I did not quit. I'm not quitting. I've said this in previous videos. I'll never quit YouTube. It's something that I do as for fun. And yes, I took a break. Not because I'm not doing well, but because between school and work, things have gotten very hectic. Yeah, so I work and I go to school, and so things just really, I have videos that I didn't get to edit, I didn't get to post them. Additional to school and work, I had finals, and you know, school is my priority. School takes precedence over YouTube. It has to, naturally. So I had exams. I'm still having exams, but a little bit more free, and yes, stuff are gonna happen for us. Yes, so if you cuss me out on Instagram and say where you gone, I appreciate you. I am back. I am better. Not that anything was wrong with me. As I said before, I'm in a good place. Mentally, emotionally, physically, I'm doing okay. I'm doing okay. Life is fine. Life is great. I'm happy. I really am happy. What else? So that's YouTube. We have a lot of great stuff coming, as I said. School. So as I said before, I was doing my finals. I'm still doing my finals. I have 3 courses to finish up. I am currently finished with about 2 courses. But yeah, stuff is gonna be okay. School is okay. My grades are fine. So I am about to finish my 3rd year and going to 4th year. Y'all know how it goes. I have some college videos coming. I just need the time, honestly. I have planned content that I just need to film, edit, and post. That's it. So just stick with me. So what's next? There's a question that everybody wants to know. I am never going to address this question. Please stop asking. I cannot put up my Q&As without y'all asking. I'm not gonna address it. That's it. That's all I have to say. How am I doing mentally? Mentally, I am okay. Excuse the concealer from my hand back. So mentally, I am really doing okay. I'm really in a good mental state. As I said before, I am really genuinely happy. I am totally fine. What else should I tell you guys? I know you see the teaser video at the front. So yes, said that I was married. I'm not married. I did not elope. I actually broke up with my boyfriend. My ex. So I broke up with the guy that y'all probably figured out that we were talking or we were together, because as I said in previous videos, he's a YouTuber and you might have seen him commenting on my stuff. But yeah, we broke up. We're on good terms. I chose to end it. We're friends. I would like to believe we're friends. Are we friends? I know you're watching. I'm really not gonna say much. We were never public. I never brought him on my channel. I never posted him on my Instagram. I might have posted him on my WhatsApp on selective persons, so but that's it. We were never public, so I'm not gonna publicly say why we broke up or anything like that, but you know, we're on good terms. We broke up on good terms, and it's for the best. It's fine. Like I said before, I'm happy. Am I dating? Yes, I am dating. But that's it. I'm not in a relationship. I'm very much single, but I am dating. I feel like this is the way that I want to go now. I'm almost 20, and I think I have never dated. I've never been on a date. I've never really did the relationship how I wanted to, because if it was up to me, I am a very traditional person, so I think that we need to be friends and then date, and then he needs to court me, and I just really feel like I've never had that, and I just need somebody who is gonna match my ethics and my morals, my standards and my values. And if I can't have that, I just think it's better I stay single. So yeah, as I said, it's okay though. I also don't want y'all to spoil this for others. Congratulations on my elopement. Is that even a word? On my marriage. Okay, yeah, that's what I want y'all to do, so that other persons can watch and wait for themselves and see what's happening. Okay, as I said, we're friends. We text almost every day still, or on most days we text, so it's not a case where it's all bad blood. I'm still wishing him the best, and it's probably the best thing that is gonna happen to another woman, but for me it didn't work out, and that's okay, that's fine. So moving on, what else is it that y'all need to know? As I said before, I have a friendcation coming up, so y'all have to stay tuned for the litness, okay, because we're gonna get lit. We getting litty. I'm hoping that I vlog, because normal I think this is gonna be a very wild friendcation. We really haven't had a wild friendcation in almost a year, so it's gonna be a wild weekend, and I really don't want to vlog a lot of it. I know that it would be good if I vlogged, but I want to enjoy myself, so I don't think I'm gonna vlog a whole lot. I really should have put out a question here and asked y'all what y'all want to know, because now I am pretty much running out of things to say. A lot of persons have been asking me about a meet and greet. Right now, where my channel is, I don't think I'll be doing a meet and greet right now, simply because I don't think somebody would have come. That's it. That's why I don't want to have one. Yeah, but giveaway, I really wanted to do a giveaway for 2K, but I already surpassed 2K subscribers, so I'm gonna put the giveaway for probably 5K, or should I do it for 3K? I don't know, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Follow me on all socials at Chesouye, and I'll catch you guys in my next upload. I love you. Bye.
Fish Island the place, just YouTube it. Some other channel, just too foolish. Like, subscribe and share.